everyone, good morning. Today we want to talk about a serious environment issue. This is happening in Naranas, specifically in Sutrija River. Before we begin, let me imagine something together. A river, salt the source of life. Its salt provides clean water, supports animals and plants, and creates a healthy environment for community. However, what happens if a river slowly turns into a place full of the trash, polluted water, and unpleasant smell? Unfortunately, this is the reality of the Sutrija River today. Many people still throw waste carelessly, and over time the river has become heavily polluted. If this problem continues, it will not only damage nature but also threaten human health and the future of the next generation. Through this advocacy presentation, we want to raise public awareness and encourage everyone to take small but meaningful action to protect our environment. As written on our poster, the future begins not on big promises, but on small action from people like you. Now, let us move to the environmental problem that we observed in the Sutrija River.
Environmental problem. Based on our observation, we found several major environmental problems in the Sutrija River. There is massive solid waste pollution. We found many tables of gerbang salt, plastic bottles, styrofoam, food packaging, and even chemical fertilizer inside river. This waste does not disappear easily and continue to accumulate every day. Second, the river is becoming clogged because of the large amount of waste. When gerbang fills up, the water cannot flow properly. This continues the risk of flooding, especially during the rainy season. Tier 3 is accessing organic waste sources and rivers, breakers, and tree trucks. Although organic waste can decompose naturally, too much of it can still pollution the river and reduce water quality. As the water has become murky and produce an unsightly odor. This indicates that the river pollution and deadly for both home and living organisms. This problem may look simple at first, but if ignored continuously, they can create serious environmental and social impact. Therefore, action is urgently needed from all members of society.
Ecosystem condition dan impact. The pollution in the Sutrija River does not only affect the operation of river, but also damage the entire ecosystem. Currently, the ecosystem is struggling to survive because the water is very murky. Sunlight cannot penetrate properly into the river. As a result, aquatic plants cannot grow well. In addition, The presence of chemical and microplastic makes the water dangerous for fish and other living organisms. Many native fish and aquatic animals are losing their natural habitat. Some species might even disappear if the pollution continues for a long time. The impact is also felt by humans. Polluted rivers can become a source of disease, bad odors, and unhealthy living conditions for nearby communities. Moreover, polluted water might eventually affect underground water sources used by residents. This issue is not only the responsibility of the government. It is shared responsibility between individual, industry, communities, and public institutions. Every piece of trash thrown into the river contributes to the description of the environment. Therefore, we must stop seeing rivers as dumping areas and start treating them as valuable natural resources that deserve protection.
After identifying the problems, we also propose several possible solutions that can help improve the condition of the storage rivers. First, regular rivers can up activities could be organized here. Community clean up everyone's can regular was the accumulation and also promoting environmental of awareness among citizens. Second class steps so will be in the let's at tragedy point in the river. As up can prevent Caprege from spreading further downstream. Third, the problematic and local community soon will provide more population dustbins in crowded areas. Sometimes people later spilling because water facilities are limited. Another important society is environmental education. School, community, and social media campaigns can teach people about proper water management and the importance of protecting rivers. I did I did CCTV monitoring system with voice assistant could help everyone like with dumping. People are less like to throw trash careless when they know when we are being monitored. Finally, distribute all hours and the fines should be encouraged for individuals or components that populate the river in the store regulation are necessary. Populated in the next international story regulation are necessary to work it to to create long-range can Even though this society might seem simple, that can create significant improvements if implemented consistently and supported by the community.
In conclusion, the Sotorojo River is currently facing serious environmental problems caused mainly by human activities. Pollution, waste accumulation, and ecosystem damage are clear signs that immediate action is needed. However, we still have hope. Change can happen if we work together and start from small action in our daily lives. For example, we can throw the trash in the proper place, reduce plastic use, participate in cleanup activities, and educate others about environmental awareness. The river cannot speak for itself, but through this presentation, we want to deliver its message. The river asks humans, industries, and governments to stop polluting and start protecting nature before it is too late. Remember that protecting the environment is not only about saving nature, but also protecting our own future. A clean river means healthier ecosystems, safer communities, and a better quality of life for everyone. Thank you for your attention, everyone. We hope this presentation inspired all of us to care more about our environment and become part of the solution, not the pollution. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.